ये सब शब्द आपकी पहचान है।
Namaskar and my humble pranams to everybody, dignitaries, faculty, students. Thank you for your faith, your trust, and to be here. I'm really, really honored on behalf of IIT. I do not know how to speak so much, so what I would do is I would take us through some stories, yes? And through the stories, we will try to create the prelude of this whole seminar. So there is a story, and please listen to it very carefully, because all the things will join the dots. So it is said that long, long ago, Raja Janak, Sita Ma ke pita, he was a very, very self-enquiring king, very good administrator, and he had a very deep sense of self-enquiry. So once he was in a state of deep sleep, गहरी नींद में राजा जनक सो रहे थे. हम सब सोते हैं, सपने नहीं आते. So he was in that state. Suddenly, उनके मंत्री आते हैं, and he comes and he shakes him. Oh king, wake up! The enemies have attacked us. So वो उठते हैं और जाते हैं, सबसे लड़ते हैं, but loses the battle. लड़ाई हार जाते हैं. Now he is in a deplorable state, Raja Janak. The kingdom is gone. His body is soiled, bleeding. Praja chali gayi. Everything is gone. The queen is gone. Everything is gone, and he's lost everything. And in that deplorable state, as the physiological needs come, he feels very hungry. अब वो जिनके पास मांगने जाते हैं खाना, तो जो उनके अपने थे वो भी उनको नहीं देते, because the new king will not be happy. This is how it happens in society. अपने पराये हो जाते हैं. So somebody says कि टेम्पल में जाके पीछे कहीं लाइन लगी है, आप वहाँ पर खा सकते हैं. So he, राजा किंग, लाइन में लगते हैं, और जब उनकी बारी आती है खाने के लिए, the food is finished. So just imagine his state. खाना खत्म है, और जो थोड़ा बचा कुचा है, the scrap, that is given to him. So when he is about to eat that, sitting under a tree, there is an eagle that is circling, and the eagle comes and takes that food away. Now he cannot bear it anymore. उनके मुंह से आवाज निकलती है, ah! I'm sure we have all gone through such situations in our life, maybe different, but जब आता है कि बस और मैं नहीं ले सकता इस चीज को, बहुत emotionally, mentally, physically, spiritually. And suddenly his eyes open and he sees everything is intact. सारी प्रजा वही है, खाना है, queen है, everything is intact. उनके मन में प्रश्न आता है, क्या वो सच? नहीं ये सच. In the beginning, I said he was a king who was very deep into self-inquiry. So he says, क्या वो सच? नहीं ये सच. How many of us have had this experience? जब हम नींद में जाते हैं और हमको सपने आते हैं, and it feels very, very real to us. How many of us have that experience? It is as good as what you're experiencing in this जागृत अवस्था. तो उनके मन में ये प्रश्न उठता है, is that the truth? Is that the truth? And it doesn't end there. हमारा तो खत्म हो जाता है, हम जागरूक हो गए, चलो वो तो सपना था, बट उनकी वहाँ पे वो चीज़ नहीं खत्म होती. So रोजमर्रा जीवन में the scenario, the scenes are changing, no? For us also everything is changing, but he has this constant question, क्या वो सच? नहीं ये सच. Now everybody in and around him is very baffled कि राजा को हुआ क्या है, ये बार बार ये क्यों पूछ रहे हैं, ये सच ना वो सच, because they don't know वो कौन सी सच की बात कर रहे हैं. So in that kingdom there comes a rishi, and his body, physical body, is distorted in 8 areas, and Ashtavakra. Ashta means 8 and Vakra is bent. अगर हमारे शरीर में एक थोड़ा सा भी बेंड हो या कोई भी एक खरोच हो, हम कितने कॉन्शियस हो जाते हैं, isn't it? So they make fun of this Rishi because he says, I will tell the Raja what is the truth. Kya wo sach nahi sach. I will tell. But everybody sees him the way he is in his outer. But look at the confidence of the Rishi when people mock at him because of his a different kind of a physical predisposition. He says, ऐसा लगता है मैं मोचियों के दरबार में आ गया. Mochi means cobbler, and the cobbler चमड़ी पे काम करता है ना. So he says, मेरी चमड़ी देखकर ये कह रहे हैं मैं क्या हूँ. And look at his confidence. And then he tells the Raja, when you were dreaming, जब आप वो experience कर रहे थे कि आपकी सारी प्रजा चली गई, खाने को नहीं है, खून निकल रहा है, चील ने आके आपका वो खाना ले लिया, तब ये था जो आप देख रहे हैं. Was this there? He says नहीं. तो ये नहीं था ना? नहीं. कहते अब जो आप ये देख रहे हैं सामने, right now, मैं आपके सामने हूँ, क्वीन है, सब है, तो वो था. He says no. So he says न वो सच, न ये सच, तुम ही सच. Did we get this point? न वो सच, न ये सच, तुम ही सच. You, the experiencer, is the only truth. And this is not for Raja Jagat, this is for all of us. Each day, day after day, we experience the states of deep sleep, isn't it? अगर हमें गहरी नींद आती है तो. Or we experience the state of dreams. And the third state is, right now we are awake. But amidst all the changes of these three states, there is something which is not changing in all of us, which is an observer to all three states. Yes, can they relate to this? कुछ एक मेरे अंदर continuity है हम सब के अंदर. That is what is the whole essence of our philosophical systems. Especially the ones that is acted on the Sanatana Dharma. So when they talk of Nishkama Seva, that selflessness, जैसे सर ने कहा कि कुछ चाहिए नहीं, वो कब आएगा? When will that come? When we stop associating ourselves with our bodies and our mind. How many of us agree to that? Right? The sleep state is changing, the dream state is changing, the waking state is changing. My body is changing, isn't it? हमारा शरीर भी तो बदल रहा है, बदल गया है, नहीं? Our mind is also changing. So what is not changing is something which is a witness to that change. Either we see this change through the states of the three states of consciousness, or we see the change in our own physical body and mind. And what is not changing? That is what each one of us is. And it is not something which is not scientific. This is fundamental to all of us. Nobody can wake up in the morning and say, I am not there. I am there. मैं हूँ. So that is the whole point. And we'll see a very short clip from the Sikh Panth. And then I will try to connect all these dots. निष्काम सेवा हमें पता है, पर निष्कामी हुए कैसे? हमारा मन ही हमको निष्काम नहीं होने देता. Yes or no? Our own body mind does not allow us to be selfless, because we think I am the body, I am the mind, and if I don't have something for my personal gain, I am going to lose everything in the world. पर दुनिया में तो कुछ भी permanent है ही नहीं. So when we connect to that permanent I, that is when we have that fearlessness and the Nishkam Bhav. So let us see this very short video. I'm sure it will help us to understand. Yes, the volume. Little volume. Volume.
container for water in the battlefield with all the wounded soldiers there.
Please, sir, give me some water. Praise God, I'm at your service. God bless you. Great are you, and great is the Guru. Life, life, life. I'm dying. Please, please. Water, water. Drink and be well, brother. Water. Love, God's grace. Bless your kind heart. Bless you.
He did this seva with such love and affection, and without any discrimination between the Guru's Sikh soldiers and the Mughal army soldiers, both the enemy and the friend. Some Sikhs saw him doing this.
It seems like a noble deed, but we don't have much water. I think we should stop this.
They went to Guru Gobind Singh Ji.
Guruji, this man, Ganea, he's giving our precious water away to the enemy.
Good because then they're being healed and they're fighting us again.
I don't agree with this.